Hi, I'm Arpita. I am an electronics engineer working here at Illinois.
Hi, I'm Ashutosh Kumar. I'm also electronics and communication engineer. Growing up, I had a fascination for aeroplanes, and working with L&T TS, I got the opportunity to work with global aerospace customer.
Here in aerospace industry, people put a lot of faith on the aircrafts flying so that they can travel across safely. Testing these systems is the most important thing in this industry, and two of us over here do that.
At L&T TS, we have two unique capabilities. First, we have the extensive knowledge of test equipment lab and simulated environment. Second, based on our experience over a decade, we became a certified independent third party to ensure that the systems are error-free and robust.
There are limitless opportunities in this testing. One of the area in which both of us are interested is the prognostic testing, where we can identify and prevent system failures before it happens.